Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Are you fine? Are you ready for English activity? Okay. Now today start for English activity. Our topic is phonic sound of A. Our topic is phonic sound of A. तो बच्चों आज हम लोग करेंगे phonic sound A का एक्टिविटी करने वाले हैं. Now let's start. What is this sparse? Okay. Now tell me spelling of fan. Very good. Now clap everyone. Sorry beta, what is this? Okay, now tell me spelling of bat, Alisa.
B-A-T.
Very good. Nancy beta, what is this? Okay, Divyansh beta, now tell me spelling of mat. A. Very good. Beta, now tell me spelling of lab. A.
A-P.
Very good. What is this? Now tell me spelling of car. Anya beta, what is this? Okay, now tell me spelling of hat. Very good. Adya beta, are you ready? What is this, Adya? Okay, Riti beta, now tell me spelling of map. P. Okay, Sikha beta, now tell me spelling of lad. Now tell me spelling of fat. A. Now tell me spelling of rat. Okay, now tell me spelling of sad. What is this beta?